Hi guys! Today I will show you how to create a media section on your website. It can be a news, articles or blog section. Currently, we don't have a media section on our website. Let's create it after the gallery. We need to go to our zStudio, and you might notice that on the side here we have news, which is currently empty, articles, it's empty as well, and our blog, which has some articles. So why can't we see a blog section on our website? That's because you edit your articles in these sections on the left, but in order for that to be seen on your website, you need to create a page in the menu manager. So we see that currently there is nothing at all which relates to either of our media sections. We wanted to create a blog after gallery, so we just need to add a page after gallery and look for a blog template. Here it is. I will start typing in capitals. It will be a first level menu item, which are all in capitals. So here it is, and save. Now we can see it appears in our menu structure, and refreshing the site, we can see that here it is, our blog section. And there are already some articles in that section, so it's showing on the page. We have created it in the first level, but we can also create it in a second level. So if we wanted it to be after graphic design, we could do it as well. It's a similar process. Let's remove that system page. It can be created only once. So let's create a page which will be second level. After graphic design, we're saying to add page. And again, we're searching for our blog template. It's a second level menu item, that's why it's camel case. And save and refresh. So now our blog is under services. We can check it again. It's definitely there. Let's create another section. Let's create news. Go into the news. We can see that currently there is nothing there. But before we start putting articles in there, let's first create a new section in our menu. And this one will be first level after gallery. So we're adding a page. In templates here, we're looking for a news template. Previously we have used blog, so you can see how it's ticked. We won't be able to create another blog. But articles and news are not created yet, so we're selecting a news template. And that's the first level menu item, has to be capitals. And here it is, our news section. Refreshing website, we can see it right here. The page is empty. We need to populate articles. Also, it has a short description, which you will be able to edit again in your menu manager, just clicking on the news page as if it was just a standard page. And let's type something. Our latest news. And save. You can also tick save this layout for mobile device and save. So now when we refresh our page, we can see that the description has changed. Obviously you can put any description you like. Now we need to go and create a few news articles. it's very easy. You just click on add new. You can leave the date in or remove the date. Give it a title. Say, let it be March promotions. And URL, it's semantic friendly URL. You can change it if you like. Let's say we want it to be March 2018 promotions, and we're checking this URL to make sure it hasn't been taken. You can select a category if you would like to categorize your articles, or maybe at some point to use a plugin for different pages with different categories. Let's say we would like to use that. If not, you just do nothing and carry on to the content of the article. But for this exercise, let's add a category. And for example, category will be promotions. Right, now we need to just add some content. Again, I advise to use this paste as plain text in order to remove all unwanted styles. I had something in my clipboard, so I'm just pasting that. With the short description, you can either put nothing here and the system will take the first paragraph of the first few lines in the first paragraph and will populate it for you, or you can type in your own short description. Let's leave it like that for now. Search keywords, you can add any keywords you like but related to the articles. In my case it will be promotions. And save. Now all we need to do is to add an image or two to our news. Image number 1 and image number 2. That's done. Let's click on exit. Now we can see that here's our new article, March promotions. Let's add another one. April promotions. Let's change URL as well to fit our purpose. With the category, you can either select a pre-existing category, sales promotions, or leave it blank, or add a new category. Let's add a new category. Let's say it will be sales. And insert some content from clipboard using paste as plain text. We will leave short description as it is, but we will add a search keyword. April promotions, and save. And let's add an image again. So here it is, exit. Our 2 articles, news pieces. Let's update the website. Go into news, and we can see that here's our first news with 2 images, and the second one. If you don't like the date, you can go back and you can see that April promotions has a date. Click on edit, remove the date, and save. Let's refresh our news section. The date disappeared. That's it for the day. Thank you for watching this video.